So this here is my FPV SkyWalker. I'm running a 5,500 milliamp hour 3-cell battery from Gravity Hobby. It's a really nice batteries. The total weight of the plane right now is about a little over 4 pounds. I don't have the video transmitter on it yet, but this flight is just with the GoPro. So after this flight, I'll give you guys a lot more specs on the plane and all the electronics I'm using. Flight. So now I'll give you some more technical specifications and just like how I did stuff with it. The motor, usually for these planes you put the motor, like you mount it on this plate and then you have it sticking out. But I couldn't, like the little screws to take the shaft out and convert this motor into like a pusher motor, they were too tight, so I went ahead and just cut out some space inside the foam and put my motor back in there. So that works out quite nicely. The motor is a NTM 3530A from Hobby King, and then this is an APC 9x4 prop. So that's the motor wise stuff. The ESC I'm using is a 50 to 60 amp Turnigi ESC, or actually it's a Hobby King ESC, not Turnigi. I've got my Dragon Link receiver or antenna right there. I've got back here, I've got what are those? They're 6.2 gram Metal Gear ball bearing digital servos. So I've got one for the rudder and the elevator, and then for the wing under here I've got carbon fiber control horns and normal 9 gram servos. Let's see what else. The total weight without the FPV transmitter is a little over 4 pounds. The wingspan is on this plane is 66 inches. The fuselage length is 47 inches. And I'll show you the inside of it. Here's my Gravity Hobby 5,500 milliamp 3-cell battery. I got some of these Gravity Hobby batteries and they're super nice. Like, they're the quality of those really expensive batteries that you'd get from somewhere, but they're cheaper. So those are really nice batteries. I like those. I'm getting those from now on, and then I just have 3-cell, like 1,000 to 500 milliamp battery for the FPV and the servos. So that can be interchangeable. This thing has a ton of room in it. As you can see, it could like fit a baby in there or something. Here's my plug that plugs into the GoPro for the video out. I put my GoPro down here just so it would have less drag. As you can see, when this puts back in there, it just kind of works out. I've got my little door right here. You open it up and it says "Welcome to inside the SkyWalker." I've got my BEC right there, Dragon Link receiver right there. So then that closes up like that. My ESC is under the wing here. What else? Let's see. Yeah, I already said how much it weighs. For landing it, I just have some like little wingtip skids right there. So that works out alright. For motor ventilation, I have a spoon, edge of a spoon that like scoops the air into there and sends it up through the motor and comes out right there, and that works out alright. The motor gets kind of warmish hot, but it's okay. The wing has got a carbon fiber spar, or 2 carbon fiber spars that go from here to here, and then I just put strapping tape on the rest of it to give it strength. So anyways, those are some specs on my SkyWalker. Thanks for watching. Or wait, yeah, FPV transmitter. I'm probably going to put the FPV transmitter somewhere about right here, and then I'll have a coax with the antenna out here. So that's up with that. And in the future, you can be expecting a video that will compare the difference between 900 megahertz and 2.4 gigahertz for FPV. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and adios.